In this video, I will teach you how to generate invoice in AppSheet. First thing you need to do is to go to the website appsheet.com. If you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is to click on the Get Started button right here and sign up using your Google account. If you already have one, all you have to do is to click on the Sign In button right here just below the Get Started button and enter your login credentials. Once you're all logged in, you land on your dashboard. You can either click Create right here to create and make a new app to start from scratch, or select an existing app you want to add invoice to. Let's say right here. I want to choose this specific app. Make sure your Google Sheets or Excel file has all the necessary invoice fields like invoice ID, client name, product or service, quantity, unit price, and total. AppSheet will use this to auto-generate your forms and views. Now, all you have to do is go to the UX tab, which is right here, and create a new view. To create a new view, all you have to do is to click on this plus button and choose Form and create new view. Make sure to choose Form right here, or you can also choose Detail View depending on how you want to display the invoice. Assign it to your invoice table and give it a name like Generate Invoice right here. To generate a downloadable invoice, you can go to Automation tab, which is right here, the robot icon, and create a new bot that triggers when a new invoice is added. Then set up a task to run a process and select Send Email with PDF attachment and use a custom Google Doc template to format your invoice. Now, if everything's set up correctly, you'll receive an email with a professional-looking PDF invoice instantly. That's all there is today. Hope we helped.